Hello everybody, this is lesson 2, second week of my 12-week course. Today, how to talk about travel like a Band 7 candidate. We will study I will introduce some vocabulary, collocations, and give you a model answer. So, let's begin. These are common answers. I like traveling. It was beautiful. The trip was very good. I went with my family. Okay, these are correct in that they are correct English sentences. However, they don't demonstrate a wide range of vocabulary, a wide range of language. So let's look at some better adjectives to describe your experience when you travel. Instead of saying beautiful, good, nice, oh, I went traveling and it was interesting. That's no good. Use some of the following maybe. Breathtaking is a really good one. Breathtaking. It took my breath away. It was so beautiful, it took my breath away. Or it was breathtaking. Fascinating. Very interesting. Unforgettable. I won't forget it in a hurry. Picturesque. 3 syllables. Intonation on the first. Picturesque. What does it mean? It's a synonym for beautiful, like a picture. Peaceful, vibrant, vibrant. That means full of life, full of energy. Lively, lively and vibrant go together as synonyms. And remote, so far from everything. In the middle of nowhere is a good one. Travel collocations. Words that go together often. Breathtaking scenery, scenery. Local cuisine, the local food. Oh, it was a real hidden gem. It was a hidden gem. Means not many people know about it. A tourist attraction. Tourist and attraction go together, like the Eiffel Tower. It was a cultural experience. The coastline was stunning. Stunning, incredibly beautiful. Coastline is along the coast, such as in Britain. We have a lot of coastline. Mountain village. Public transport. City break. So we took a break. City break. We went on a road trip. Road trip. So these are excellent collocations. Do try and use them. They're really useful and they help you sound more native because they are natural combinations of words. So, add a reason. Extend your answers. Don't stop after I like traveling. For example, you could say, I enjoy traveling because it allows me to experience different cultures and escape my daily routine. That's a good answer. So, explain an opinion, give a reason, and then some detail. All right? It's a good formula to extend, make your answer longer. So, do you like traveling? I like traveling because it is fun. That's not very good. How about this answer? Band 7, roughly. I really enjoy traveling because it gives me the opportunity or the chance to experience different cultures. For example, I visited Japan last year and was amazed by how clean and organized everything was. So he gave a reason and some detail. In describing places, let's have a look at what we can use. Instead of, it was beautiful, try this. Coastline again. Stunning coastline. The coastline was absolutely breathtaking. The old town was full of charming little cafes. Okay, it's cafes. The city has a really vibrant atmosphere. A really vibrant, lively atmosphere. The beaches were spotless. Spotless means super clean. See, I'm introducing a lot of vocabulary here. This is packed with language, actually. All right, let's look at some useful phrases. All right, these are natural sounding phrases. You can try and include them in your answers. Off the beaten track. That means away from the normal tourist places. Oh, it's definitely worth visiting. Japan is worth visiting, in my opinion. It's a once-in-a-lifetime trip. Once in a lifetime is like an adjective, right? An adjectival phrase describing the trip. Unique, essentially. We were there to try and soak up the atmosphere. To soak up the atmosphere means to enjoy the ambiance, the general feeling, to take everything in and enjoy it. I went there to get away from it all. This is a very common phrase, very natural. Native speakers use these. We went to explore the local area. That's what you do on holiday, or what you should do anyway. I think so. We tried the local cuisine. Remember? Cuisine means local food. We went and ended up making some unforgettable memories. So, really good useful phrases. Please try and use some of these. It really, in combination with the collocations, you will have some fantastic answers, but more importantly, you'll build up your lexical resource, your vocabulary, your expressions, your collocations. You need these to improve in English in general. So, let's have a look at a mini model answer to do you enjoy traveling? I absolutely love traveling because it helps me switch off from work and experience different cultures. One of my favorite trips was to Italy, where I explored several historic cities and tried some incredible local food. It's definitely an experience I'd recommend. Great answer. I can give you some homework. Let's see if you can do this. Describe your favorite holiday or a country you would like to visit. Use 2 collocations, 1 example, 1 reason. Good luck. See you next time. Bye.